Hey guys, this is Nathan over at Phillips Chevrolet Lansing. Today I want to show you a real cool video on a brand new 2025 Tahoe Premier. So on these 2025s, they got the new interior with their 17-inch display. You used to be able to check all your tire pressure, your battery voltage, and your oil temps and your transmission fluid temps through the dialogue screen here. Now it's all in their middle touchscreen. So all you have to do is go to Vehicle Status. You can click on Maintenance, and it shows you everything. Your brake pad life, your tire pressure, oil filter. You can even go back out and go to Gauges, and this is where you check all your temps. Your trip is going to be your fuel economy, and then you can even click individually and scroll over, and you can see a little photo of your Tahoe or a 3D model of it, and click something specific. So you can click on the tires to check the pressure, or you can check the brake pads by clicking on the brake pads. Give me a call, any questions you guys might have about this, or if you want to stop in, test drive one, 708-474-0000, extension 462. Ask for Nate.